So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys remember, last time we were working on a topic that's called addition of fractions. So we covered that topic already, and if you want the link of that video, I will provide into the description of this video. I will provide that link for you guys, so you can just go ahead and watch that video. So about today's lesson, we will be covering subtraction of fractions. So for that, I have some questions over here I'm going to upload, and we will be discussing them one by one. So addition and subtraction of the fraction, that are pretty much similar things. So let's just continue with the question number 1 over here. That's 7 over 8 minus 2 over 10. So for this one, as you guys can see already, we have got the different denominators. One is 8 and the other one is 10, right? So in order to solve it, I need to make the denominator common. So what we need to do, we have to find out the LCM over here. So for this one, if I multiply that value with the 10 on both sides, let me just adjust the writing. Okay, so if I multiply this with the 10 on both sides by this way, and if I multiply that value with the 8 on both sides, both the numerator and the denominator, I will get 70 over 80 minus 16 over 80. By this way I can subtract them, right? I've got the common denominator now. 80 over here, 70 minus 16, right? So now I will just subtract them, and 70 minus 16, that's equivalent to 54 over 80. As you guys can see, the first subtraction operation is done. Now I'm going to move towards the next question. That's 2 over 3 minus 5 over 8, right? So for this one, I need to find out the common denominator again. So if I multiply 3 with the 8, and if I multiply this 8 with the 3 on both sides, I will get a common denominator of 24, right? So like 16 over 24 minus 15 over 24, right? So I got the common denominator. I'm just going to simplify 24 over here. So 16 minus 15. By this way, if I subtract them, I will get 1 over 24. So the second question is done, right? Now I will be quickly moving towards the question number 3 over here. That's 6 over 7 minus 7 over 12. So I need to find out the common denominator that is common for for the 7 and the 12. So I need to find out the LCM of 7 and the 12. All right, so we have to find out a value that we can convert the denominators into. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, and it goes like 21, and it keeps on going, right, that way. So we have to find out the possible values that we can find out over here. So let's just find out the LCM real quick. 7 and the 12. So I'm going to write down the multiples of 7, okay? So these are the few numbers that I've written so far. I'm going to write down the multiples of 12 as well, one by one. So let's see if I get the same number or not, okay? So 12 times 2 is already 24, and then I get 36, right? And 12 times 4 is equivalent to 48. So far I haven't got the same number. So 12 times 5 is equivalent to 60. 12 times 6 is equivalent to 72, right? So we will keep on going until we find out the common denominator. So far we haven't found any number. So 12 times 6 was 72. Now 12 times 7, that goes like 84. I think I've got the number, because if I just keep on going for the 7 over here, next time I'm going to get 70, and after that I'm going to get 77, and then I'm going to get 84, right? So similarly, I got 84 and the 84. That's the common number over here, right? So in order to do this one, and I can give you a shortcut method for these kind of questions as well. When you're unable to find out the common denominator, you can just simply go ahead and multiply that number with each other like that way. Minus 7 over 12, we'll multiply that part with the 7 on both sides. So by this way, you're definitely going to get the common denominator, okay? So 6 times 12, that's equivalent to 72, over 12 times 7, that goes like 84, minus 49 over 84. So now we'll simply go ahead and subtract these two values together. 84 is over here, 72 minus 49. So 72 minus 49, that's equivalent to 23 over 84. So that's the answer for this question. All right, so now I'm gonna move towards the last three questions real quick. So that's like 8 over 15 minus 5 over 21, and the other one is 6 over 7 minus 2 over 3. So I'm gonna leave these two questions 5 and 6 on you, so you guys can solve them, okay? And I'm gonna solve this question over here. That's 8 over 15 minus 5 over 21. So in order to find out the common denominator, I'm gonna perform the same exact operation that I just did, because usually it's difficult for the kids to find out the common denominator. So what you can do, you can just simply go ahead and multiply it that way. All right, you're gonna use the other denominator and multiply it that way, okay? The way that I'm doing, can you see? All right, so 8 times 21, that goes like 168 over 15 times 21, that's 315, minus 5 times 15, that's equivalent to 75, over again 21 times 15, that's equivalent to 315. So right after that, I'll put 315 as a common denominator. So 168 minus 75. So 168 minus 75 gives me 93 over 315. So this is done as well. All right. So we are left with these two questions, question number 5 and the question number 6. I will give you guys a chance to solve these two questions by yourself. And once you get the answer, I will be requesting you to put that answer into the comment section, and I will be checking it later. So for now, this is all for the subtraction of the fraction. I hope you liked the video. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, I will request you to please subscribe it. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for the watching. Bye.